Want to read for you the facts from the Auditor General's report. Now, a contract was signed for Ringo Stadium on 5th of January 2017 for 288 million 45,530 Kenya shillings. Kwa Kiswahili, walisaini contract ya milioni 288 ya kujenga stadium ya Ruringa. It was expected to be complete by 5th of August 2017, in 6 months' time. Sasa ndio hii. The contractor has already been paid out of 288 million. Contractor has already been paid 260 million 608,376. Now at this point it is important for me to note that I would not have known about this project were it not be for my students from the Morara University of Applied Science and Crowdsourced Audit and Accountability. So they are the reasons why I've gotten to know this, and they are the ones that invited me. So we're going to check out the Ruringa Stadium so that you see the 260 million that the contractor was paid. vile wanadonga simiti Cabro, alisha supply